Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in study trips with Fifth Third Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of study trips in personal and academic growth. Research Fifth Third Bank's specific offerings related to study trip investments. Visit the official Fifth Third Bank website for detailed information on their educational programs. Look for any promotional materials or guides specifically designed for study trips. Evaluate the eligibility criteria for accessing funding or loans for study trips. Consider your personal financial situation and budget for the trip. Create a list of anticipated expenses including travel, accommodation, and study materials. Contact a Fifth Third Bank representative to discuss available options for financing your study trip. Ask about interest rates, repayment terms, and any potential fees associated with the funding. Gather necessary documentation such as identification, proof of enrollment, and trip itinerary. Submit your application for funding through Fifth Third Bank's online portal or in person. Monitor the status of your application to ensure timely processing. Once approved, review the funding agreement carefully before signing. Plan your study trip itinerary to maximize your educational experience. Make reservations for travel and accommodation as soon as funding is secured. Keep track of all receipts and documentation related to your study trip expenses. After returning from your study trip, assess your experience and how it contributed to your learning. Consider sharing your insights with your academic community or on social platforms to inspire others. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.